Hi, today we're going to talk about storage virtualization that's packaged in Windows Server 2012. It's one of the features that I really love. Okay, basically today's demonstration will be on my lab server. Some background story of a storage virtualization that's being bundled into Windows Server 2012 is that it allows you to uh, virtualize storage by extracting multiple physical disks into logical structure with a specific capacity. With that, we allow it will have a better performance in return, where we can have the I/O being spread across multiple physical disks. Okay, without further ado, in my simple lab server, as you can see, uh, right now I do not have any disk volume allocated, but under my disk, actually I have three drive loaded, where the first drive, which is running SSD, is loading on my operating system. For the next two, uh, 2 terabyte hard disk will be the target for creating storage pool and virtual disk for virtualization for usage of for my Hyper-V. So right now, navigate to storage pool. So you can see that both my physical disks are ready. The condition is that even though the hard disk may be currently in use, uh, once you once you decided that you want to put it into a storage pool, you have to uh, format the drive so that it will be detected by Windows Server 2012 to create the storage pool. So under storage pool, I will create a new storage pool and just name it as my shared storage, and you will select the group of available disks, and at this screen you will select the physical disk that's available to be added into the storage pool. Wow, this is a very beautiful feature, because at any point of time where you decided that you would add more hard disks, more physical disks into your system, you can modify the existing storage pool, or you can create a storage pool for other purposes. So for demonstration purpose, I will select all the available physical disks. So you can see the total amount of space is 3.64 terabyte. So summary page, create. It's a very pretty fast process. So right now, my storage pool, new one, the newly created one, the shared storage will appear under my storage spaces. Now, I can create virtual disk. Virtual disk is individual disk that is loaded into your system, and later on you can create volume based on this physical disk. For example, if you are running a multiple array of hard disks, ranging of maybe 6 terabyte, you can create a 1 terabyte virtual disk out of the 6 terabyte, and from there you can create multiple volume that is usable by your system. So it will rather make things more organized. So to create a virtual disk, start a new virtual disk wizard. Click next. So select the available storage pool. Whereas for now I only have one. So name it since I'm gonna load my directory server, my Active Directory server, and perhaps my visa onto this physical disk volume, I'll name it shared virtual disk. Next. So we can select the storage layout. This is pretty similar to your other enterprise hard disk, where you can select the rate. So we can select whether it's a simple, it's a myriad, or parity. So I'll select a simple, and the provisioning type. This is very important. if you are doing this in the production environment, because having a thick provisioning, uh, it will save the administrator time, because it means that you have done very well capacity management and capacity planning. Well, team provisioning is more for laboratory, where I'll be running multiple uh, virtual machine, but I don't want to be restricted with the amount of storage. I don't want to fix the amount of storage in each virtual machine. So I'll go ahead and select team. So specific the size, since my storage pool is just 3.64 terabyte. So I will select something perhaps more logical, some somewhere around figure of 250 gig. A wizard summary page for the wizard. Looking at the process is actually loading quite fast. So it has option for you to choose create a volume when this wizard close. So you take this when you are ready to create a new volume in order to use this. So I'm for demonstration purpose, I will definitely go straight to create a new volume. So the new volume wizard come out next. So you can see my virtual disk, which I name it shared virtual disk with a capacity of 250 gig. So I select a maximum. Oh, look at this screen. You might not miss this. You can select out of this virtual disk. It's just like it represents your physical hard disk. So in this case, you actually can select a lower volume. I can set it at 100 gig, and while there will be free space in this virtual disk that I can create additional volume. But for demonstration purpose, I will just go ahead with 250 gig to fill up the whole virtual disk. Assign a drive ladder. Formatting summary page. Creating format volume. Ta-da! It's all done. So back to your computer management, you see that these four is actually containing 250 gig. There's assigned P drive that's loaded for usage in your Hyper-V. So straight away, all of the files that is hosted on um, this P drive actually spanning across two physical disks. So that's all today.